Hello everyone. Today our group will talk about an important organelle inside the cell called the lysosome. Lysosomes are small membrane-bound organelles that are mainly found in animal cells. They contain many powerful digestive enzymes that are responsible for breaking down different biological molecules such as proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, and nucleic acids. The lysosome works in a special acidic environment. The internal pH of the lysosome is about 4.5 to 5, which allows its enzymes to function efficiently. Because lysosomes can digest many types of cellular materials, scientists often describe them as the recycling center or waste disposal system of the cell. Although lysosomes are well known for their digestive function, they also play several other important roles that help maintain the health and survival of the cell. One of the most important additional functions of lysosomes is a process known as autophagy, which literally means self-eating. In this process, the cell identifies damaged or old organelles that are no longer functioning properly. These structures are surrounded by a membrane to form a vesicle known as an autophagosome. The autophagosome then fuses with a lysosome. Once this happens, the digestive enzymes inside the lysosome begin to break down the damaged organelles into smaller molecules. These molecules, such as amino acids and fatty acids, are then released back into the cytoplasm, where the cell can reuse them to produce energy or build new cellular components. This recycling process is extremely important for maintaining cellular balance and preventing the accumulation of harmful or damaged materials inside the cell. Autophagy also becomes very important during conditions such as starvation or cellular stress, where the cell needs to recycle its own components to survive and continue functioning. Lysosomes are small membrane-bound organelles that contain digestive enzymes. They work best in an acidic environment with an internal pH of about 4.5 to 5. Because of this, lysosomes act like the cell's recycling center or waste disposal system. Through autophagy, cells identify damaged organelles, wrap them in an autophagosome, fuse with a lysosome, and break them down into reusable building blocks. During starvation or cellular stress, autophagy helps the cell recycle its own components to produce energy and keep vital processes running. This supports cellular balance and prevents the buildup of harmful materials. By managing waste and recycling resources, lysosomes help maintain the health and survival of the cell. Thank you for watching. In summary, lysosomes digest and recycle cellular materials, and through autophagy, they help cells adapt and stay healthy. That's the power of the lysosome. Second additional function, role in immune defense. Another important function of lysosomes is their role in protecting the body from infections. Lysosomes contribute to the immune system by helping cells destroy harmful microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens that enter the cell. When a pathogen enters a cell, it can become trapped inside a membrane-bound vesicle. This vesicle can then fuse with a lysosome. Once fusion occurs, the digestive enzymes inside the lysosome break down the microorganism into smaller fragments. This process helps eliminate harmful pathogens and protects the cell from infection. In addition to destroying pathogens, lysosomes also help the immune system recognize foreign substances. After digestion, some fragments of the pathogen can be presented on the surface of the cell. This presentation helps activate immune cells and allows the body to respond more effectively to infections. Related disease, Tay-Sachs disease. A well-known disease related to lysosomal dysfunction is Tay-Sachs disease. This disease occurs because of a deficiency of an important lysosomal enzyme called hexosaminidase A. Normally, this enzyme helps break down certain fatty substances inside nerve cells. However, when the enzyme is missing or does not function properly, these fatty substances accumulate inside lysosomes, especially in nerve cells of the brain and spinal cord. Over time, this accumulation causes severe damage to the nervous system. Patients with Tay-Sachs disease may experience symptoms such as muscle weakness, loss of motor skills, vision and hearing problems, and progressive neurological damage. Modern treatment scientists are currently developing modern treatments for lysosomal storage diseases. One important approach is enzyme replacement therapy, where patients receive the missing enzyme through medical treatment. This enzyme can enter cells and help lysosomes break down the accumulated materials. Another promising approach is gene therapy, which aims to correct the genetic mutation responsible for the enzyme deficiency. These modern treatments give hope for improving the management of many genetic diseases related to lysosomes. Conclusion. In conclusion, lysosomes are essential organelles that play important roles in cellular digestion, recycling damaged cellular components, and protecting the body from infections. Understanding lysosomal function also helps scientists develop new therapies for serious genetic diseases.